In this lesson, we will solve question number 5, exercise 1.1 MCQs of linear equations and inequalities. And question we have, I can write down here, it is x over 2 plus 1 over 3 into 3 minus x equal x plus 4. First of all, we have to solve this question, then we will see which A, B, C, D, which answer is correct. So see, there are fractions. I have told you, if you have a fraction, you have to remove or eliminate the fraction in order to make the question easy. So how we will remove this fraction? If there are three terms, 1, 2 and 3, right? So you have to multiply each term by 6. Now again the question arises, why 6? Why not with 5 or 4 or any other number? You have to multiply each term with a number which is divisible by these denominators. So we have 2 and 3 in the denominator. If we will divide 2 one time, 2 3 times 6, 3 one time, 3 two time, right? We will get the whole numbers. We will not get the answer in decimal. And how? Just multiply 3 2 or 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 6, right? So 2 one time, 2 3 time, 3 one time, 3 two time. So here we have 3x remaining, here we have 2 only. So see, and here we have, just write down as it is. Now we do not have any fraction. So next step is that you have to multiply this 2 with this parenthesis, because we have 2 in front of this. 2 3 times 6 minus 2x equal to, again you have to multiply this parenthesis by 6, which is equal to 6x plus 24. Now we will keep x on the left hand side. This is negative 2x. This we will make a transpose, bring it here, so the sign will change. It will be negative 6x equal to 24 will remain the same on the other side. Just make the transpose of this constant, which is negative, so it will be 18, and this is 3x and this is minus 8x. So 8 minus 3, which is equal to minus 5x. But we do not want anything with x. We only want the value of x, and here is minus 5. So just divide with minus 5 or 5. If you will divide with minus 5, that is fine too, or just divide with 5. Here you can take the minus sign, this will cut. So x is equal to negative 18 over 5. This is your answer. So where is minus negative? See here, this one. This is right. D answer is right. Right? If you want to check whether your answer is correct or not, so put this x is equal to minus 18 over 5 in this equation, in this question. You will get both sides equal. So if you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.